Ridgeline is one of couple of pickups to be thoroughly tried, and it has performed well. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline is a relative irregularity among pickup trucks. Hardly any pickups are tried for crashworthiness by either real well-being rating office. The Ridgeline has been tried by both government and free analyzers. Also, couple of pickups offer programmed crisis braking. The Ridgeline offers it, though on top trims. Consequently, it acquires a 7 out of 10 on our security scale. The Ridgeline gets a best 5-star general rating from NHTSA, with 5 stars in everything except the rollover test, where it wins 4 stars. From the 2018 model snatched the top safety pick ran, on account of best OOD evaluations in all crash tests, A. Uperior rating for its front crash aversion framework, and A. OOD rating for its headlights. We anticipate that the appraisals will remainder to 2019. Consolidating a portion of the best SUV and truck components, the Ridgeline offers a more lovely ordeal than its rivals. Where it needs through-and-through truck capacities, the Ridgeline compensates for it with solace and remarkable highlights. Since the Ridgeline is based on unibody stage, it does have the rough character of a body-on-outline truck. However, the result is a level of solace and refinement that customary pickups can coordinate. The Ridgeline drives significantly more like a family hauler than the pickup truck, with a more controlled ride and better taken care of. Contrasted and other average-sized pickups, the Ridgeline handles bends and cornering with significantly more dexterity, and the ride has substantially less ricocheting and shaking than a body-on-outline vehicle. All Ridgeline models accompany Honda all-around audited 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 combined to a smooth-moving 6-speed program. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour run taking around 7 seconds, the Ridgeline offers more speeding up than most truck purchasers will need or utilize. The normally suctioned V6 delivers a lot of strong sound under substantial throttle, however performs easily over the power band. Without low extended damping, the Ridgeline isn't a strong rough terrain entertainer. All-wheel drive offers a lot of footing, and electronic drive modes enable the Ridgeline to perform well in snow, mud, and sand. These settings change the transmission change example to hold bring down gears, move energy to raise wheels, and mollify throttle reaction. Almost 8 creeps of ground leeway is adequate for a pickup of this size, yet the back control arms leave just around 6 crawls of movement.